there, Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another question of the week. Actually, I've been getting this question quite often because I am speaking at all the Empire Medical Training, and many of the doctors are there to learn how to do their medical and technical skills for Botox and fillers and lasers and all those medical spa treatments. And many of them already have a thriving practice, and now they're opening a Medispa. So this question came to us from Dr. Lehman, and he's asking, I have a very successful practice and opening a new Medispa. Should I keep them together or have them be separate? So that's a very good question. As I mentioned, I'm asked this question often. There are so many variables to answering this question. It really depends on the space that you have currently, if you have enough rooms to bring in another business or not, or if you're renting a separate space to actually launch your Medispa. So space is the number one thing you should consider. So if you have the space and you can have nice guest experience for both branches, the medical practice and the Medispa, then ideally it would be a good idea to have them together, because you'll be able to cross market from one side to the other. Like, I have many dermatologists, OBGYNs, cardiologists, I mean, you name it. There's so many doctors that have their practice and then they have the Medispa. So that's one way to do it. Now, if you don't have the space, then of course you need to go find a space. But I would recommend, if you have the right target market for your practice, and it's the same target market that you're going after with your Medispa, then you should definitely have it in close proximity. So again, you can still cross market even though it's not in the same actual location. So that's something also to consider. Now, if you have a practice and the target market for your practice has nothing to do with the Medispa target market at all, they're not the right people for the Medispa, then it doesn't matter where you have it. You can just go rent a space in an affluent area where you can attract people that can afford your Medispa treatments. So as you see, there's a lot of things to consider. My advice would be to set up a private coaching call with me. Let me understand a little bit more about your business, know exactly what you have going on, and then I can make more proper recommendations for you. But all three scenarios I shared with you work, and I've seen them work. So it all depends on whether this will work for you or not. So those are the things that you should consider. Hope I answered your question. Have a question? Make sure you write to info@inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.